Before we create a post, I feel it's important to understand tags and categories. They are both methods of organizing your post, but they do it in slightly different ways. Categories should be considered your site's table of contents. Tags are your site's index. Let's assume that you've got a gardening blog that covers vegetables, flowers, and gardening techniques. You can have categories for each of those. Additionally, you can have subcategories for each. Beneath vegetables, you might have tomatoes, lettuce, and potatoes. Beneath flowers, you might have orchids, roses, and lavender. This allows clear separation between subjects and an easy way for readers to locate content that relates to their current project. Tags, on the other hand, are more descriptive. They stand alone with no hierarchical structure and can serve to further refine a reader's search for content. You may have a post that details a gardening technique for tomatoes. You could add the vegetables, tomato, and technique tags to that post, and it will appear in each tag pool. If a reader searches for tomato fertilizer and your post detailed the best fertilizers for tomatoes and used tomato and fertilizer as tags, your tags would ensure that they find the post they're looking for quickly. One of the major differences between tags and categories is how they're displayed on the front page. The tag widget appears as a weighted tag cloud. The more posts a tag is associated with, the larger the tag appears in the cloud. The Categories widget appears as a flat list, making it simple for people to browse to categories without having to scan a cloud. Categories can be managed through the Categories option under the Posts button in the dashboard. Here, you can define the name of the category, the slug, which is the text that will display in the URL of the category, the parent category, if it is to be a child category, and the description. You can also edit or delete categories from this screen. Once the category is added, you will be able to select it from the category selection in the post editor. Tags can be managed from the Tags option under the Posts menu in the dashboard. You can add the name, slug, and description of the tag here. Likewise, you can edit or delete tags here as well. However, the most common method of both adding tags and categories is from the post editor itself. In the post editor, we can see the categories and tags boxes on the right of the screen. You can select existing categories to which you wish to add your post, or you can add a new category by selecting the Add New Category button. A small selection appears where you can define the name of the category and its parent if appropriate. With tags, it's even simpler. You simply add the tags you wish to add to the post, separated by commas, and click the Add button. Now that we understand how to organize our posts, let's get started creating them.